Evening, everybody. It's Sunday evening at 7:29, and so this is your weekend update on the futures markets. Uh, Not everything is open yet. The grains, as you can see, none of them open until well, in about five more minutes. But oil is down $3.13. I think that it is kind of an interesting looking chart. I think that they tried to wring out all of the excess here on this blow off parabolic high. We came right back down here to the 50-day moving average and started back up. We're consolidating in here, and I expect this to turn higher yet again. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised to see it above 120 this week. The nat gas is basically unchanged, up six, now down half of a cent. Gold is higher by $1.30, very quiet tonight, 1960, 1965. Silver is up 6 cents. Copper is down about a penny and a half, so not much going on there. The S&P, the stock indexes in general, S&P down 5, down 16 on the Nasdaq, down 37 on the Dow, and down 340 on the Russell. I'm still fighting with myself here about whether or not this was a very short, very sharp rally in a bear market, or whether we're really trying to put in a bottom here. It's a tough question, but basically, I think if you take a look at the S&P, and we will, you take a look at the S&P, and we rallied back into resistance. This little 6 or 7 day apart double top, which came from the point of the breakdown here at 45.68. We came down. We did make a low. We did make a higher low and a test that tried the downside and then closed up on the day. It was a very strong week last week. Pardon me, the week before last. This week was kind of quiet. We're right under this red line, which is the 100-day moving average. Everything else really has, we're kind of stuck between the 100 and the 50. The 50 is the orange line. The 5, the 20, both turned to the upside. And the 5 has gone through everything with the exception of the 100-day. So we'll have to see how that goes. The 200-day, which is a little longer term, is exactly where we held support in the past week. And as I said, there's really not that much going on tonight, at least not yet, with the exception of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is solidly stronger. It is up 4.9%. This clear breakout above the consolidation here. I drew this on the on my comment, on my crypto comment in tonight's letter. Down, up into a W or double bottom. Now we're breaking out above. We're solidly above the 200-day. The red line is the 100-day. It's still falling. The 200-day is leaning up. All the others are either level or higher. So I'm thinking that we're going to see another up leg there. Looking at Ethereum, which is the one that I favor because of the amount of commerce done on it and the fact that all of the NFTs are built on their blockchain. Same situation. Down, up, down, up. and breaking out, hasn't quite broken out. I think it has to close, let's just call it, above 34.17. Last is 32.90, but it is outperforming Bitcoin. It's up 5.2%. So nothing overwhelming, but still continues to outperform. The bonds that we got crushed in on Friday are up a little. This chart was really interesting from the perspective of there's a very long term uptrend line here. I'm going to show it to you. It goes back quite a ways. As a matter of fact, it goes back on the monthly to where we were before we broke out. This is June of 2007, and we've solidly stayed above it. We hit it here in November of 18, and we hit it again last week. So even if this is a down market, we could see it back in this 156 area, and that's what I'm looking for now. All right, everyone. Hope everyone had a good weekend, and I'll be back first thing in the morning with your pre opening comments.